Long range helps such businesses to spread the risk. For example, if let's say the demand of one type of product is going down, and as a result sales is likely to go down as well, so it might be compensated with a rise in the demand of another product in another market segment. So this is how large businesses, they are able to maintain their overall sales and profit as well. Now the question is, how does average cost go down? Now you know that in every business there are certain costs which are called fixed cost, and even if you produce less or even more, you have to pay the same cost, and even if you do not produce, the cost will still be there and you have to pay it. So for smaller businesses, let's say if demand goes down, they produce less, the fixed cost will be spread into smaller number of units, and that would lead to higher average cost of the business. Whereas for larger businesses, it doesn't happen. Why? Because when the demand of one product goes down, they start producing other products because they have such a long range. So the fixed cost remains spread in large number of units, keeping the average cost down. And that is what we call risk-bearing economies of scale.